Hello from DCT. Today I would like to introduce you one interesting cleaning project related to the soldering and coating frames cleaning. 1.5 years ago we organized a cleaning workshop in Limeshain, Germany, where our distributor ANS-answer Elektronik is located. This workshop was dedicated for company Siemens and which was attended by engineers from several Siemens locations. This event was focused on maintenance cleaning of the soldering frames when customer brought in their dirty frames, which has been cleaned only manually. We performed several cleaning tests and we demonstrated the precise cleanliness we can achieve thanks to the fully automated horizontal spray-in-air machine Inkjet 888 CRD, together with our water-based cleaning fluid Decatron T392A, dedicated for the flux removing from the soldering frames. During this workshop, we also discussed the new requirement of Siemens to clean coating frames. The next round of the testing was performed in DCT, where we cleaned both coating frames as well as the soldering frames. We used the same machine, Inkjet 888 CRD with horizontal spraying technology, together with our latest water-based cleaning fluid Decatron EFD1, with the ability to remove fluxes as well as the coatings. Siemens was very impressed by achieved cleaning results, and thanks to one universal water-based Decatron EFD1, they can use only one cleaning system to cover both cleaning applications of the soldering frames as well as the coating frames. Currently, this cleaning process has been operating at Siemens Karlshruhe in Germany since autumn 2023, with the great satisfaction of the customer in all directions. We would like to thank Siemens for trust in DCT cleaning solution and for our growing cooperation.